Hey friends, if you encounter the error an application or service has shut down this hardware device code 44, then please watch this video. Now the official solution to this on support.microsoft.com is to simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart your computer. But this will not necessarily fix the problem, and I'll tell you why it will not necessarily fix the problem. Because there may be an external third party program which is causing the problem at the first place. So unless you do something about the root cause, it will not help you. I mean, you can restart your computer and then it will restart that program as well, and that program will interfere with the drivers, and then it will ask you to shut down the computer once again. So you'll have to keep rebooting again and again. So to solve this root cause, you'll have to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then click on restart. Now, when your system restarts, it will restart such that the third party programs would be disabled. In that case, most probably your problem will be fixed, and then you can open those third party programs one by one and isolate the cause. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.